From a simple chunk of raw steel to perfectly smooth bearings that keep the world spinning. This is one of the most precise manufacturing processes on Earth. Watch how it all begins. High-grade steel is heated to over 1,000 degrees Celsius in massive furnaces. Then forged under enormous pressure. Heat treatment hardens them so they can handle extreme loads without ever deforming. Next, the inner and outer races are machined with incredible accuracy.
Now for the magic part, the steel balls themselves.
They are polished for days in special machines until perfectly spherical. Down to tolerances as small as 0.001 millimeters. Finally, assembly brings everything together with robotic precision. These tiny bearings end up in cars, airplanes, hard drives, and medical machines. One small defect and everything fails. That's why this factory process is so satisfying. Like and subscribe for more.